fucking way. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck a duck. I was so sure you'd flown onto the road, and then I was sure that I had a fucking flat tire because I couldn't fucking turn the handlebars. Oh my god, I'm such a bell end. That's not even funny. Oh, my legs are shaking. This is bullshit. I couldn't fucking turn at all from either. I thought I had a flat tire. I turned off that junction, and then literally I was like, oh, that's really weird. It's really hard moving left. Maybe I have a flat tire or some bullshit. And then fucking trying to come off the roundabout, I nearly fucking went over because I couldn't turn. I was trying to turn, but the bike, I was all like pushing my weight to the left, expecting the bike to go to the left, but it wouldn't. Oh god damn, that's not Gucci, man. That is the culprit. Look, it's just broken off. Well, on the plus side, at least we have my GoPro still activated. That's up. Oh my god, on the plus side at least I don't have a flat tire, and I still have my GoPro. Bro, you're going in my bag right now, turning you the fuck off. I'll tell you what, that was a shitty moment. And it's things like that, dumb, shitty fucking moments, where you lose yourself and you come off. And that Aprilia Tuono, dude, was spraying stones all over my baby. Not fucking Gucci gang, that. Not Gucci gang at all. Nothing broken in here too, which is good, because that's also a worry, isn't it, really? I felt something was weird. I really felt something was really weird. God.